Okay, guys, so I loved going to the mall, first of all. It was a great experience. I actually did feel like I was at a mall and I just loved walking around and being able to buy things without having to spend any money, and it was great. It was awesome. I loved it. Favorite things I found were these coffee signs. Just because, I am a little bit of a coffee addict. I love coffee, and I actually do say quite a bit. You can sleep when you're dead, or I'll sleep when I'm dead, which is actually not that funny. But sometimes it feels like um, sleeping, it's not as necessary as everyone thinks it is. I don't know. But okay, so I will create my phantom object right now. As you can see, I should not be able to walk through this, and I'm not. Okay, so I'm going to click on this, and I'm going to edit, and I'm going to select Phantom, and then once it's Phantom, then I should be able to walk right through. Okay, so there's one of them. I would like to put it back to its original, or take the Phantom off, because I would like to show you one of the other scripts that I learned. And in order for you to apply scripts, you have to go to Content, New Script, and open up the script and go to default. So I want to click on this and make it appear and disappear. So let's see, let me copy my uh, code, which I already have in my Google document journal thingy. And I'm going to replace this with the code, and I'm going to save it. And it says compile successful, save complete. So once I click on this object, okay, so I can't walk through it anymore. So if I click on it, I should have been able to, it wants, oh, maybe I gotta close this right here. So if I click on it, it disappears. And if you click on the space again, it appears again. See? Neat, right? Okay, so this is part of the interactivity, and I still am designing the sample games that I'm going to be showing with these scripts, but as of right now, that's what I have. And then I'm going to take this guy right here, and let's see. So if I go to object, okay, so I'm going to go to features, and I'm going to make this into a flexible path. And I'm going to increase the gravity and friction, and then move the guy this way. Ooh, that's really neat. So there is my flag. So if I did -6, I would only go to -1. So what does that do now? Oh, okay. More fluid. Okay. Okay, so now I'm going to rotate this guy. And he's a flag. Now he won't rotate. Yeah, he will. Oh, okay. So let's see. Let's move him now up here. And it's flowing nicely. Okay, so now if we do the other feature of light, then we go to world and we set it down to sun position, to midnight. Okay. So I want the intensity. I need to do really as bright as he can stand it. Oh, it's not doing anything. As bright as it'll go. Okay. Radius follow. Oh, there we go. Okay. Nice. Alright, so there's my lit object. And then in a second, I'll be taking you to my new custom building.